Gentlemen, stop wearing mini shoulder bags. They are killing your masculinity as a man. Look, I may come across too direct and a little bit harsh, but I always provide you gentlemen my honest opinion, as I strive to be as honest and transparent with you as always, because you guys deserve to know the truth. Because this is how I am as a man, and I always ensure that I am as honest and transparent as I can be. This is the way I live my life, and I encourage each and every one of you gentlemen to be more honest in your life, because it will benefit you as well as the other person. Anyway, with all of that being said, back to the topic at hand. Mini shoulder bags, you know, the ones that look like this. If you wear these, you really need to stop now. Make sure you watch this video till the very end to find out why you should stop wearing them, and don't worry, because I'm going to be providing you exceptionally better alternatives to use to store more than 4 of your possessions in if you really need to use a bag. The most important aspect I want to get through to you gentlemen is that it's absolutely feminine that you are wearing them. Yes, that's right. You know who owns small little cute mini shoulder bags like this going across their torso? Women. Your wife, your girlfriend, your daughter, the girl you're dating, your mother, your grandmother. Look, the majority of women you see in everyday life are either wearing these small little bags or possess them. No matter how brands try and make and market them to look manly to us men. It's absolutely feminine. That is their territory. Leave that kind of bag with them. We are modern masculine men. We definitely shouldn't be wearing mini shoulder bags. Look, did you see Marlon Brando, who plays the iconic exceptional lead in the Godfather film, take out of his gun out of a small little mini shoulder bag? Of course you didn't see that, because he wouldn't wear such a thing. I know that's quite a dramatic example, but do you get my point? This type of bag is definitely not masculine at all. It doesn't make you look cool, stylish, gangster or masculine for wearing this specific bag. But I'll tell you what it does provide. Convenience. But do you really want to trade convenience for you to display a very feminine vibe? If you want to display a very feminine vibe, then by all means, wear that mini shoulder bag 24/7. But if you want to display nothing but masculinity, then drop the bag and never wear it again. Put your wallet, your phone, your car keys and your house keys in your pockets, gentlemen. Whether it's in your jean pockets or your jacket pockets, use them. That's why they are there. That is grown man shit right there, gentlemen. If you're worried that those everyday essentials are going to be bulging out of your jean pockets, then that is a very good indication that you purchased your jeans too tight. And that in itself is not good. So here's a quick tip. The next time you're going to be purchasing new jeans, chinos, suit trousers, etc., make sure you insert your phone, keys and wallet into the pocket to double check that they do not fit too tight with them inside. Now for the alternatives. the exceptionally masculine alternatives to store your possessions in. Now, I've specifically selected these alternatives if you really need to use a bag to store more than 4 items in. But if you have 4 items or less, for example, your keys, wallet, and your phone, then I strongly recommend that you use your pockets instead, period. So, just to be clear, the following alternatives are going to be of a small form factor to replace that small mini shoulder bag. So you are able to fit more than 4 items in the bag, which means you don't have to use your pockets. I'm not trying to sell you them. I'm not sponsored by the brands. I'm giving you alternatives and inspiration instead. Okay, here is a selection, gentlemen. The links to those bags are in the description box below. I hope you now understand and will never wear that feminine mini shoulder bag again. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for taking the time out of your life to watch my video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you found the value in my content to be informative and engaging. Please don't forget to like, comment, and to subscribe to me, as well as to also check out more of my fashion related videos tailored for you gentlemen. And as always, conquer your life in style. This is Zane signing off.